Have you heard of people making thousands of dollars flipping properties without touching it? Actually, yes, that's wholesaling. Guys, my name is Carlos. This year alone, me and my company have done over 30 deals. I'm gonna go over really quick to what it is. Obviously, it's not as easy as everyone says, but when it comes to wholesaling, this is what your operation needs to look like. You need lead generation, you need operations, you need acquisitions, transaction coordinator, and disposition. Okay, so those are the 5 key components to having a successful business. Generating leads, pick a marketing channel, whether that is drawing for dollars, mailers, cold calling, cold SMS, etc. Your operations, that's working the leads, nurturing, building relationships, networking with agents, etc., etc. Acquisitions, you have to be able to get through a lot of people in order for you to get leads, build your pipeline, and consistently be feeding that pipeline so that you can make offers, which will increase your odds to closing deals. Transaction coordinator, that's all the paperwork, opening escrow, opening title, sending contracts, underwriting, etc., etc. Disposition, that's the person in charge of, once you have properties in escrow, once you have properties under contract, you have to find a buyer, an end buyer, a flipper, a cash buyer that will then find your property. How do you find this? Well, whichever market you're in, you can see who's done flips there before. You can reach out to the agents and be like, hey agent, I got your cash buyer, their next flip. I'm looking to assign this property for $10,000, 20, 30, 40, whatever that might be. Another ways to find it is Facebook groups, Bigger Pockets, Craigslist. There's tons of ways. Check out my page, check out our YouTube. I go into detail. I'll give you all the free game for free. Good luck. Check us out.